This is a 2012 Dodge Avenger. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, a 4-wheel independent suspension, 17-inch wheels, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.